Understood? And listen, those who have already done up to 2 also, they will have to do it again. Understood? Is it clear? Yes, Divyanka, again you have to do. Junaid also. Look at this.
I have not done the 2.
Okay. Now look at this. The questions it is given. Find the LCM of 22, 54, 108, 135 and 198. Individually, we are not going to break them into prime factorization. Yes, we will break it by taking all the numbers together. As I explained the first one, this one. Okay, the same thing, and we have to look at the majority. How? Look at this.
Ma'am,
First,
but I can't. Ma'am.
Yes. Say.
Ma'am, but I can't understand how you're doing that. Ma'am, I am saying that
Yes,
I
yes.
can't understand that how you are doing the LCM division.
Yes, look at this. All the numbers we have taken together up to this, understood too?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how to make the division? Look, I have taken all the numbers 22, 54, 108, 135 and 198. Okay. Now look, basically I have to check, we have to find out that number which will divide all of them. All the numbers is divisible by a number, we have to find that number. Understood? Now up to this clear though? We have to find out that number which will divide all of them. Okay. Now just check.
Yes.
We are getting in such a number which will divide all of them. No, look. Suppose we are taking 2. We are taking 2. Okay. How to check? Look, 22 will be divided by 2. 54 is divisible by 2. 108 is also, but 135 is not divisible by 2. Yes, though?
Yes, ma'am.
But 198 again divisible by 2. So, rather than 2, let us find any other number. Suppose we are taking 3. Now check whether all the numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Basically, we have to find that number which is common factor of all of them. Now understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is common in all of them. Okay, now this one clear. Now, look, you cannot get it. Here, we are not getting any common factor of them. Na? We are getting 2, even if we take 3, then 22 will not be divisible. Yes, so we are not getting, just check it up to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 in this way, just check it. The prime numbers, few prime numbers. Now, look, here we are not getting any number which will divide all of them. So, what to do? Up to this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what to do? If we are not getting, then look at the majority. Suppose we can take that number which will divide most of them. Look, if we are taking 2, look, 22 is divisible by 2. 54 is divisible by 2. 108 is also. But only 135 is not divisible by 2. Again, 198 is divisible by 2. Yes, though?
Yes, ma'am.
Look, majority wins. How? Look, here 22, 54, 108 and 198. These 4 numbers are divisible by 2 though.
Yes.
That means you can take 2. Now you can ask me, ma'am, 135 though is not divisible by 2. Then in case of 135, what will you do? Look, these are divisible by 2. So we have taken 2, 211, 22, 227, 54. This one done. 254, 108. And the last one, 2 into 99 is equal to 198. Up to this clear though?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, in case of this 135, look, we cannot divide this by 2 though. Then what will we write here? If the number is not divisible by this factor, okay, then that number will remain as it is. Understood? This 135 will remain as it is. if it is not divisible. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, I have a question.
Ah, yes, say. Definitely.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just now you have told that majority wins. Ma'am, if we take 3, ma'am, except 22, all the numbers can be divisible. See?
Then you can take 3 also, but there is a process now. When I was doing in first chapter, I told 2 is less than 3 though. So take the less prime number first. Understood, Devoli?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. We should take the
Suppose you
least
are-
one. Okay.
Exactly. Suppose you are taking 3, that one will also be correct. Okay, understood though? It is not wrong. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now look, by 2 we have already done. Now here, basically follow the rule. Look, they have taken 11. You can follow the rule. You can take first 3, okay? In this way. Understood? Here, Debolin, in place of 11, you can easily take 3. Understood though? What they have taken, no need to take this one, okay? It is not mandatory. You can complete it in your own way. What you know, what you have learned. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Acha, basically look, here it is 11 has been taken, okay? By 11, look, 11, 1 is 11, okay? Then 11, 9. But these 3 are not divisible by 11. Yes? So these 3 will remain as it is. Clear though? Now, what I will suggest, look, in place of 11, take 3. Because look, 27, 54, 135 and 99. All these 4 number is divisible by 3. There is the majority now. So my suggestion is first take 3, okay? Then 11. Got it, all of you?
Take 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
I have also taken it.
And this division and this thing is already done. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you done. I'll do it by taking here 3.
Ma'am, no need.
Basically, this one is done. That's why I am just explaining by looking at this. Okay. Acha, how many students have understood? Just let me check it. All of you, Yash?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We understood,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good. Shuhana? Sridatri?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Shaurjashi, Sridatri, Shuhana told me understood.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Tazib, don't be absent
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
class. Okay, then only there will be problem to understand. Okay. Sridhati, Tazib, don't be absent in the class. Okay, look at this question. Find the smallest number which when diminished by 3. Okay. Then divisible by this 21, 28, 36 and 45. Okay. Now look at this. What is the meaning of this question? Acha, find the smallest number. The full form of LCM is what? Least common multiplier.
Yes, ma'am.
That means the lowest number. Suppose we are taking 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Their common multiplier, 2, multiple of 2 is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. In this way it will continue.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
3 is what? 6, 9, 12, 15 in this way. And 4, look, 4, 8, 12, 16 in this way. Yes, Tom. Now
Yes,
least common multiple. Okay, that means, look here, 12 is common. We are getting yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, after 12, we will get more numbers also, okay, which are common. Look, if we take 24, that one will also be common multiple, now. Look, 2
Yes,
2
ma'am.
divides 24. 3 also divides 24. 4 also divides 24. But we are not taking 24, but we are taking 12. Why? Because LCM means the least common multiple, lowest common multiple, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That means we are not taking 12, 24, 36 in this way. We are taking the least number. Now look at the question. Find the smallest, that means the least number, which when diminished by 3, okay, forget about diminished by 3, forget about this. Divisible by these 4 numbers. Acha, divisible by these 4 numbers means, just right now I took 2, 3 and 4. And we have got LCM 12. That means this is the smallest number, so which is
Yes,
divisible
ma'am.
by all of them? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Also 24 is divisible by all of them, but 24 is not the least number, not the smallest number. Yes,
Yes,
to
ma'am. It is greater than
all
12.
of you, this one clear to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, that means we have to find the least one which is divisible by
ma'am.
all of. Yes, say.
We have to do this.
No, just try to understand, okay? No need to write this. That means when we are finding the smallest number which is divisible by some numbers, then what to find? Their LCM, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. LCM.
Up to this clear to all of you?
Yes,
Orgodi,
ma'am.
Poojan,
Yes, ma'am.
Pomoji?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Acha, now that means when it is asked find the smallest number which is divisible by some numbers, then we have to find their LCM. Now the same thing, forget about diminished by 3. Okay, just forget about this. So we can easily find the smallest number which is divisible by this, yes or no? By finding their LCM, yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
The smallest number which is divisible by 21, 28, 36 and 45. We can find out by finding their LCM. So look,
Yes,
look
ma'am.
at this. I'm explaining this solution later. At first look, you can find out easily the LCM. We are getting the LCM 1260, right? 1260. We are
Yes, ma'am.
getting that
LCM.
LCM. Up to this clear to all of you? Show the sheet?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes.
I'm clear.
Okay. Now look at this. This is the smallest number which is divisible by 21, 28, 36 and 45. All of them divide this number. All of them. Now look at this. That diminished part. Find, but we are not finding out the smallest number when diminished by 3. We have find out the smallest number which is divisible by all of them. Only we have got that number. Now it is given, find that number when it is diminished by 3. Acha, first tell me, this one is divisible by all of them though. So,
Yes, ma'am. It is divisible.
so if we add 3, then what will you get? 1263 will
Yes,
get 2.
ma'am.
Now just check, this one will be divisible by 21, 28, yes or no? Just apply your common sense. This number will be divisible by 21, yes or no?
Ma'am, I think no.
No, because this one is divisible too. And if
Yes,
we add
ma'am.
3, then how can it divisible by 21? Minimum at least we have to add 21.
21. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. This one is clear to all of you, Ujan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good.
It is
Now look. Okay, now look. Acha, again by 28, if we have to find the next number which is divisible by 28, then definitely we have to add at least 28.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way we have to continue. Now the fact is 1263 will not be divisible by this. Yes, though.
No, ma'am.
But when we subtract 3 from 1263, if we diminish 3, then it will be divisible by All of them? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. It will be.
Yes. Now the question is to that. Find that smallest number from which when we diminish 3, then we'll get their LCM. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I got it.
Look, find that number from which when we diminish 3, we will get that LCM, their LCM. That's why we are adding this 3 to get the actual original number. Understood or not?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it
Okay, I
clear?
understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Anuva, Shomojit, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
Orithur, Shayon and Safin, tell me. Mirza Tuhinur, I want to know each and everyone's comment, whether it is clear or not. At least you can.
Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
Now write the. I will upload to this one. Just write the answer. When give some space to write the question. Right now, no need to write the question. Understood? Acha, write the statement by your own. The smallest number which is divisible by 21, 28, 36 and 45 is their LCM. Okay. Acha, here also it is written there. The smallest number is their LCM. Okay. Then we have to find out their LCM. After that, start to find out. Okay. Look at this. By which number all of this is divisible? Acha, first let us take 3. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
3. 3 sevens are 21. 28 will remain as it is not divisible by 7. By 3. Okay, now 3 12s are 36. 3 15s are 45. Now,
Ma'am, I have taken 7 first.
it is given there in the book. Okay, here. Try to take the smallest number. Okay, now by 3 we can take this 7 and 28 will remain as it is, and 3 4s are 12, then 3 5s are 15. Now take by 7. Okay, 7 1 7 4, this 4 and 5 will remain as it is. Now take by, as there are 2 4 and 5 is also there, no need to take here 2 and 2. Okay, because they are co-prime though, so directly you can take 4. 1 1 1 and 5. So what will be their LCM? 3 into 3 into 7 into 4 into 5. Find out this one first.
Ma'am, may I say I have got?
Ma'am, I can also. Ma'am, I can also.
Say. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. 100 means 1,260, ma'am.
You are saying this from here.
No, ma'am.
Then show me your copy.
Yes, ma'am. You can show it.
I can show it or I can see it.
Yes, ma'am. I can. You can.
Yes, good. Okay. Acha. Yes, I have also seen Divyanka's copy. Acha. Orgodeep Maji.
Ma'am.
Kazi is
Ma'am.
there. Kazi.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes, same.
Ma'am, which one we have to do? Can you tell?
Trisha, where were you?
Ma'am, I'm here only, but ma'am, your voice is coming too much low. And ma'am, for some time I can't.
Ma'am, you see my copy.
Acha, wait. Okay, Trisha. This third question I am doing. Find the smallest number. Let me clear it. Find the smallest number which when diminished by 3 is divisible by all these 4 numbers. Okay, this question. I told that give some space to write the question later. Right now, no need to write the question. Okay. Okay, now look at this. But we have got 1260. This one is divisible by all of them, yes?
Yes, ma'am. It is divisible by all.
But we are not going to find out this number. We have to find that number which when diminished by 3, then only divisible by. That means we have to add 3. And if we are getting 1263, then look, from this number, if we are diminishing 3, then only we'll get their LCM, na? That number divisible by all of them.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what to write here? What to write here? Okay, just directly you can write the required number, or you can write after diminishing or after removing 3 or after subtracting 3, whatever you want. Okay, 3, we will get their LCM back, which is divisible by all of them. Hence, the required number is this. Okay, look, write this after.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Now,
Ma'am, now also not coming.
Ma'am, I can hear.
The voice is very clear.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
your voice is very clear.
No, in my device is not coming.
okay, then it will be maybe your network issue, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, what are you telling?
Look, here, hence the required number is given this.
Your network problem.
Here you can write, okay, keep quiet. Here you can write, before this line, you can write after
Ma'am, your voice is stopped.
now.
Ma'am, now coming.
Okay. Acha, 3. We will get their LCM. We will get their LCM. Now you can hear me properly, though. Hence, after that, right, hence the required number is this. Okay. Now I'll explain the next one. Acha, this one
please
right
wait.
now, no need to do, huh? Right now, no need to do this one.
Ma'am, please wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, your voice stopped.
I have not said anything, beta. I am just waiting right up to this. Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed. Can I?
Acha, so LCM understood to how to do.
have also completed. I can.
Acha, just let me know one thing. LCM understood to how to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Now from today, okay. Acha, today we have time. Yes. 5 minutes only we have. Okay. So from today, we will continue some HCF and LCM haphazardly. Okay. Together. To HCF sum, then to LCM. In a haphazard way, we have to continue. Otherwise, when you will complete that HCF, you will forget about LCM because these two are mixed. Okay, that's why we have to continue this in a haphazard way. Suppose in one day 3 HCF sum, 2 LCM sum. Understood? Too?
But ma'am,
Yes.
I have
Yes,
done first 3 HCF, ma'am. First 3 HCF sums, ma'am. And ma'am, I have
Ah,
also
so that is
started
good too. That is good, but in your class also, Trisha, you have to complete. You have done in home, that very good. I appreciate that. Okay, just keep it up. You have to practice at home also, but in your class, what I am doing, you also have to do that. Okay. Now let me. It is done, Tom.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now let me share the screen again. Wait.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Yes, but it is totally black.
Now. Ma'am,
Okay, now stop talking. Ipshita, why have you joined late?
Is here.
Okay. Now keep quiet. Keep quiet. Now look, HCF by using division method. Okay. This question is their question. It is from your book, exercise D, the first question. Look, just we have to divide the greater one by the smaller one. Okay. Look, it is 1028. It is 1268. So by 1 only it can be divisible. After that, remainder is 240. So by this 240, we have to divide this 1028 or 1028. Now take it by 4. 4 4s are 60. 16, carry 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. And this 0 will be there. Now find the remainder. It will be 8. It will be 6. There it is 0. 68. Now divide 240 by this remainder. We have to continue this process though. Prisha?
Ma'am.
Okay, do it
Ma'am,
first.
until we get remainder as 0, ma'am, we have to
Zero,
continue it.
Exactly. Now by 68, if we take 3, look, 3 8s are 24. Carry 2, 3 6 are 18 plus this 2, 20. So it will be 204. Now subtract it. It will be 36. Now by 36, we have to divide this 68. 36, 1 is 36 because 36 2s are 72 greater than 68. So take 36, subtract, this one will be 32. Now by this 32, we have to divide 36. Continue the process until we are getting 0 as remainder. 32, 1 is 32. It will be 4. By 4, we have to divide 32. 4 8.
It will be 8.
Exactly. But the answer is 8
And it
or
is
4.
fully divisible.
Acha, what will be the answer? 8 or 4?
Ma'am, answer will be 4. The last divisor.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, your voice cracked.
Ma'am, 4.
Okay. Now write hence the HCF of this and this is equal to 4. Okay. I am showing you the answer.
Saminurer master pagli.
What are you saying?
Ma'am, Tuhinur is saying.
Oh,
আজকে থেকে কি পড়িয়েছে?
Spanish or Chinese language? Which one you are saying?
Ma'am, Bengali.
No, ma'am, Japanese, I think.
Ma'am, Korean.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
Urdu.
complete. Okay. I
Ma'am,
complete this one first. Now I'll check your copy. Okay. Acha,
Ma'am.
from tomorrow LCM HCF I'll start. Okay. Suppose 2
Yes,
questions
ma'am.
I'm doing and 1 I'll give you to complete. Okay. In this way. Okay.
1 minute, ma'am. See my copy, I have completed. Trisha.
Ma'am, have you seen my copy?
Wait. Let me
Ma'am.
check your copy.